Hello guys. In this series of tutorial I will share my knowledge on RabbitMQ server. It is used as a message broker. It is one of the most popular open source message brokers. It's lightweight and easy to deploy on premises and over the cloud. It has support for multiple messaging protocols. Let's start by first installing RabbitMQ server. Let's start by downloading and configuring RabbitMQ in our local system. To start with RabbitMQ, you will need RabbitMQ server running in your local or some server which you can access. Go to rabbitmq.com/download.html to download RabbitMQ. Since I am using Windows, I will use Window Installer. Click on Official Installer. According to documentation, you must have Erlang installed on your system as well. RabbitMQ and Erlang should be installed as an administrative account. Since I am installing RabbitMQ server 3.8.11 exe, I must have to download compatible Erlang as well. To download Erlang, search in Google for latest Erlang downloads. I will have to download Windows 64-bit binary. You can choose according to your operating system. I have already downloaded to save our time. Let's start installing RabbitMQ first without installing Erlang, and see what happens. It gave error that Erlang could not be detected. So let's first install Erlang now. Just follow basic procedure. Click Next with default values. It found that some basic redistributable are not installed. So let's install that as well. Now it will begin installing Erlang. I am skipping installation and will jump to completion. Erlang installation completed. Now let's install RabbitMQ. It will ask for some firewall access. This will be required for RabbitMQ to allow accessing the port across servers. Once you will allow access, installation will completed. RabbitMQ installation also completed. Let confirm by searching for RabbitMQ in Windows Start menu. To start RabbitMQ server, you will get some icons added to Start menu. Select RabbitMQ service Start, to start the service, and Stop, to stop the service. This will execute a Windows service using script to start and stop the service. RabbitMQ also install RabbitMQ command prompt to run RabbitMQ related commands. This command prompt will be used to installing plugins for RabbitMQ. For RabbitMQ related command help, type RabbitMQ help. You will get all list of commands available in RabbitMQ. To check RabbitMQ diagnostics, type RabbitMQ diagnostics status. It will print which port it is connected and all other necessary informations. I will paste link to these pages in description box. Thanks a lot. Please like and subscribe. See you in next video where I will show a demo using C#.